Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you a trick, that is how to undo the sending of your message or email when you're using Gmail from Google. So first find your settings button, just go to settings and then to labs. I'm going to search here for a lab called undo send. Pay attention that once I use this lab, I can stop sending the message, but I have this option only for a few seconds after hitting the send button. So you really have to pay attention and realize it in just a few seconds after you hit the send button. Okay, so I'll show you how it works. For now, let's enable this and save changes. Email is restarting. I have already created a draft in my draft inbox. So let's say, for example, I am sending an application for a new position. I'm looking for a job. I have already pasted the address, which is the official address of my potential employer, and I have already started the message. But let's say that by mistake I forgot to attach my curriculum vitae, or I simply forgot to add the necessary text in the message, and I forgot to do all this, but I'm clicking send button. Now if I click this button, it will be a mistake from my side and it will look unprofessional from my side to for my potential employer to receive this email. So it's really useful what I'm going to show you just next. So now I'm hitting send. Pay attention, I have a cancel and now I have an undo. So what I do, I click the undo button. So now my sending has been undone. So the sending has been confirmed and then I had undo and view message options. So I have clicked undo. So now my message is again in my inbox and the employer doesn't have it yet. I also had the chance, if you paid attention, to cancel the sending process while, for a few seconds while the sending, for the time that the sending has been going on, but I didn't have time. However, due to the undo button, my email is now back to me and I can edit it. I think this is really useful, especially if you don't use the added trick, which is if you paste an official email, also paste some random letters. In this case, just because this is not an email, even if you click send button, you'll have an error here, and that will make you realize that you'll not be able to send it right away, and maybe you can check again the email before you send it. So take all the advantage and just use this lab from Gmail, and I hope my video was really useful. Thank you for watching.